2020 gate number 3 प्रस्थान की.
Run.
Ranade here, and finally we are here in Bangalore. So I got up today at 5 in the morning. It was very difficult for me to get up so early, but I got up and got ready pretty quickly. For girls, getting ready in like 1 hour is like very quick. So I left my home at 6, reached the airport around 6:15-20. The airport is pretty close to my house. And then there was a huge queue at Pune airport. Maybe all had come to see me, that's what I thought, but it was not true. Okay, but when we went through all the security check process, maybe they were not familiar with so much of equipments. They asked me to open the entire bag and I had to show them the gimbal, camera sets, everything. They got it scanned and rescanned. After a long process, finally we went in, and when I went near the boarding gate, almost the line was over. It was a full run kind of a situation, and we made a very heroic entry into the aeroplane. So I got very less time to shoot at the Pune airport. Anyways, Pune is a defense airport, so we are not allowed to shoot outside the airport building. So yeah, that's how we came here to Bangalore. We have landed, and it's going to be a very fun journey. I have 2 meetings, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and in the evening, you know what is it's the meetup, the very first meetup. So let's see how it goes. I guess I should start again, huh? In the traditional way. Yes. Hi guys, here Ranade here, and I welcome you all to our first ever meetup. Feels so exciting. Thank you. So you are getting a big round of applause right away at your entry point. Anyone knows what's a short selling? Yes, please. You can? Yes. So that's like you sell first and you buy later. Does this happen in real life other than stock market? Does this happen in real life other than stock market? Other than stock market. Commodities, okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. And what a coincidence. He's saying commodity and you're saying marriage. Have you seen my Delhi pollution video? No. Oh my God, everyone should watch that. Okay. Have you seen my CSB video? Catholic Syrian Bank. IPO? No. Delhi video question. Okay, saying let me try my general knowledge. The Delhi problem is because of the high AQI. And what is the full form of AQI? Arey, it's a quiz. People, it's a quiz. Very nice. One more round of applause for him. Hair quality index. Very nice. I think he deserves a small prize before I go on. I'll give you a prize. A small diary, a finance diary from my side. So this is a diary for you. Your name? Okay. Everyone helped you, but I guess you're being a girl, you're the first one who has answered. You also deserve one more prize. I have three diaries to begin with. Nice. Your name, please. Your name? Oh, I'm going out of frame. You have to come here. I've crossed my Lakshman Resha. Your name? Sulochana. A round of applause for her. IGST. Round of applause for her. Thanks a lot for patience with me. Thanks a lot.